I am taking the very early train to another town, another small town. So I really have to feed myself before going up to the train. This is the wonton. It's for my parents. Now I'm going to the railway station. My train is 8 in the morning. So this is my train number. So what you have to know is that it's written here 2 or 3. So sometimes you have to know from the app itself to tell you that which platform to go. After 1.5 hours, I arrived in this station, Heng Dao He Zi. We got on the taxi. Okay, this is the place I stay. 小梅的院子。I just realized that I did not shoot my rooms while checking in. Have a basin, and this one is the bathroom. And all of this, right? Because they will boil the water, so as you have on the hot shower. Okay, this is the small town. This is what I ordered. The tomato fried chicken, and this one is a local kind of the wild vegetable with eggs, and this one is my father's. I don't know what is that, but I think it's with pork. This is a very famous station, the railway station. Oh, look at that. This is fox.
This is fox. 不行，不敢抱。可以。可以。Funny tree house. See what is this? All the corn, they dried all the corns here, and especially look like a Russian houses. Okay, I'm going uphill. There's some of the wooden cottage here. You can rest for a while. Ooh. It's like pretty slippery over there. This coffee smell nice. 多超美式。哎，你好。
你好。
哎。下。
来，往里走。
Just wondering how much is this? Already honey, raspberry. 哎，大概是36块，对吗？
对，这个百花这个是纯钻开花采的，最好的。
哦，这个最好。
这个还有便宜一点的15一斤。
啊，这个一罐也是大概
也是2斤。
呀，大概2斤而已。
2斤。
啊，就大概是多少钱呐？2斤。
40块钱。
啊，40块钱。好的，可以。
21斤，2斤都40。
啊，好的，可以。
这个是5块钱一个，大一点是10块钱。
This is pine nut。
这个里头有松子。
啊，松子。对。
就这种松子。屋里有。这是什么？
这个。
树莓，这果汁。
OK。
那他有买了吗？他买一个。
It's just all the kids playing around. This is the place that I stay. It's the backyard. So facing the river, but I can see the river has already been frozen.